What if one smart move today could 10x your crypto earnings by 2026? XRP, the most debated coin in crypto, is finally showing signs of life. But is it ready to explode, or is it all hype? Let's break down the facts, the risks, and the real 10x strategy behind XRP. Welcome to Crypto Growth Engine, the channel that helps you build passive income through automation, AI, and crypto insights. In today's video, we're going deep into what really happened with XRP in 2025, the bull case, the bear case, and the expert predictions for 2026. And most importantly, how XRP could 10x your portfolio if you're positioned smartly. Whether you're holding XRP, thinking of buying, or just want to understand what's really going on, this video will give you the full picture. Chapter 1. What happened in 2025? Let's start with 2025. XRP didn't skyrocket, but behind the scenes, it made major progress. Legal clarity. After a multi-year battle, Ripple finally secured legal clarity in the US for most secondary XRP sales. This meant XRP was no longer considered a security for retail investors on major exchanges. Exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken relisted XRP. This restored trust and liquidity. RippleNet global expansion. RippleNet expanded its partnerships with central banks in UAE and Singapore, payment networks in Korea, Brazil, and Mexico, and even tested CBDC settlements in regions like Africa. Real-world use cases for XRP were growing. But the price? Still under $2.50. XRP ETF rumors begin in Q4 of 2025. News broke that BlackRock and Grayscale had filed paperwork for a spot XRP ETF. Although not approved yet, the market started buzzing. So why didn't the price explode? Because most of the world was focused on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and AI coins. And that's exactly why XRP might be the most undervalued asset heading into 2026. Chapter 2. How XRP could 10x in 2026. Let's get to the good stuff. Here's how XRP could turn a $1,000 investment into $10,000 or more. 1. Spot XRP ETF approval. ETF equals big money. When Bitcoin's ETF was approved in early 2024, BTC gained over 110% in 3 months. If XRP gets ETF approval, it could attract pension funds, hedge funds, institutional traders with billions in dry powder ready to flow. Analysts say ETF approval alone could push XRP to $6 to $10, without any utility growth too. Institutional utility demand. Ripple is building the infrastructure for real-time global settlements, tokenized real estate, micro-remittance payments, interbank transfers. If just a fraction of global banks integrate XRP through RippleNet, demand will outpace supply. Ripple holds a large supply, yes, but if utility explodes, so will on-chain demand. 3. Technical chart setup. According to eGrag Crypto, XRP is repeating its 2017 Elliott wave pattern. If that cycle plays out, the next peak puts XRP between $22 to $27 by late 2026. This isn't hopium, it's based on long-term Fibonacci levels, volume analysis, whale accumulation zones. Chapter 3. Bearish risks you can't ignore. Of course, no investment is guaranteed. Here are the top risks that could kill XRP's 10x potential. 1. Regulatory setbacks. If the SEC fights back or ETF approvals stall in 2026, big investors may stay away. 2. Low DeFi growth. Compared to Ethereum or Solana, the XRP ledger lacks a booming DeFi scene. Without developers, XRP might struggle to innovate. 3. Competing Stellar, XLM, Algorand, and newer payment-focused chains are moving fast. If Ripple fails to scale quickly, XRP could be outpaced. Bearish price predictions? CoinCodex forecasts just $2.78 average price in 2026. Light Finance predicts a $3.14 to $5 range. Good, but not 10x territory. Chapter 4. Expert predictions. What the pros expect. Let's break down real expert predictions. Analyst/source 2026 range notes. CoinStats $5.60 to $8.64 based on ETF RippleNet growth. Coinpedia average $6.25 mid-level institutional flow. eGrag Crypto $22 to $27 technical breakout wave. Brave new coin $22 if $1.2 TCAP XRP matches ETH's 2021 level. CoinCodex average $2.78 conservative tech outlook. 3 commas wallet investor $2.15 to $3 bearish traders exit XRP. Average of bullish cases? Around $8 to $10. Best case? $22 or more. So what's realistic? That's what the next chapter is for. Chapter 5, your 10x strategy blueprint. Let's say you want to maximize your earnings with low risk. Here's a 3-step approach. Step 1, accumulate smartly. Buy XRP under $3. Set limit orders at $2.20, $2, and even $1.70 in market dips. Step 2, take partial profits. If XRP hits, $6 equals sell 30%, $10 equals sell 30%, $20 plus equals let the rest ride. Always withdraw your initial capital early. Step 3, use a parallel income loop. While holding XRP, build an automated YouTube channel like this. Earn from ad revenue, affiliate links, and audience monetization. Now your XRP gains are bonus money, not your only income. This hybrid approach is how smart investors multiply wealth. Chapter 6. Final thoughts: is XRP bullish in 2026? Yes, if ETF approval, RippleNet adoption, and global payments scale up. No, if DeFi fails, competition wins, or regulators delay ETFs. Can you 10x your earnings? Yes, but it's not luck. It takes smart entry, realistic exits, parallel income sources. Crypto isn't about gambling anymore. It's about strategy. What's your XRP price prediction for 2026? Comment below, bullish or bearish. Like this video if it gave you clarity. Subscribe for weekly 10x crypto strategies.